SCA.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 79, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: New York, Cayuga, Genesee, Livingston, Monroe, Ontario, Orleans, Seneca, Lane, Wyoming, and Yates. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KHA 53 in Rochester, your source for official weather information across the Western Finger Lakes.
9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for the following areas. In New York, this watch includes 15 counties. In central New York, Boone, Hemmington,
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wyoming County, northwestern Cattaraugus County, Erie County, northeastern Chautauqua County until 3:45 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles northwest of Angola on the lake to 12 miles northwest of Westfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and maple-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buffalo, Cheektowaga, West Seneca, Lackawanna, Dunkirk, Fredonia, Hamburg, East Aurora, Evans, and Elma. This includes Interstate 90 between exits 52 and 59. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KHA 53 in Rochester, your source for official weather information. Service in Connecticut has issued a flash flood warning
Oh
for
my.
Cayuga County,
That was loud.
Northern Holdman County, Southern Onondaga County, Seneca County until 11 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated training thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain has already fallen here today, and an additional 1 to 2 inches is possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Auburn, Seneca Falls, Waterloo, Pompey, Romulus, Oriskil, Fleming, Otisco, Skiatlas, Loch, Genoa, Ledyard, Preble, Moravia, Union Springs, Niles, Scott, Truxton, Keiler, and Sempronius. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. What? The Chautauqua County, western Genesee County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Evangola State Park, or 14 miles northeast of Dunkirk, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buffalo, Cheektowaga, West Seneca, Clarence, Lackawanna, Kenmore, Depew, Amherst, Tonawanda, and Lancaster. This includes Interstate 90 between exits 48 and 58. Damaging wind gusts have been observed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wyoming County, Cattaraugus County, southern Erie County, southeastern Chautauqua County, western Allegheny County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Gowanda, or 13 miles southeast of Fredonia, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Olean, Salamanca, Allegheny State Park, Springville, Gowanda, Ashford, Arcade, Allegheny, Franklinville, and Belfast. This includes Interstate 86 between exits 14 and 30. Damaging winds have been observed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Flood statement for counties.